What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we go any further, please understand that this is not financial advice. You are free to do whatever you like with your money. And that being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my KASPA Maxi mug. Everything, absolutely everything, tastes better with KASPA. Today we're about to do a follow-up. Okay, since we already looked at the 24 hours earlier today, we're about to do a follow-up and see how the coins that we are trading in this My Millionaire journey, which are King KASPA, Quant, and Jasmine. We're about to see how they're performing. After that, we'll look at prices in details. And after that, guys, we'll check the positions to see how we're performing. Are we still sitting in profits, or did you take profits, or whatever you guys did? Anyways, I'm gonna show you my positions, and then you can make your own judgment after that. But before we get into that, guys, I'm not just a KASPA Maxi. I've been telling you guys, I don't know, since I started this channel, I've always told you guys, KASPA is better than Bitcoin. KASPA, guys, you need to have your bag. I don't know if it is long term for you, is it short term, or whatever you want to do, but you actually need to have you a bag when it comes to KASPA. Guys, KASPA is going to print billionaires, or even it's going to print millionaires or even billionaires from now to the next 10 years. Guys, we had first of all, right now KASPA is the fastest chain. Right now KASPA is the fastest chain. I know some people are going to come out there and tell me, oh, it's a block DAG. Okay, let's call it DAG, but it's the fastest in the cryptocurrency world right now. Okay, we already have the timeline, like by the beginning of next year, first quarter, the upgrade for the crescendo is going to come there. It's going to be live. It's almost completely done. They're just testing one last thing. They said it in the AMA. And when that happens, KASPA will be what, almost 1,000 times faster than anything else. And if that wasn't even good enough, the Dark Knight upgrade will come, which will be when you say the speed of sound, it's even slow when it comes to KASPA after the Dark Knight upgrade. Okay, so the most recent AMA, we had a very better explanation on what will happen once these smart contracts show up in KASPA. You guys remember a couple of months ago, you can go back, the receipts are there, I keep the receipts. I told you guys, there's a video when I was explaining to you guys, like, KASPA is going to gobble up 95% of the projects in this cryptocurrency ecosystem. You're about to see it. I'm gonna tell you this. You guys know that Ethereum has layer 2s, right? Ethereum has layer 2s, and those layer 2s, whether you like it or not, they are centralized, but they make the transactions way faster. But not just they make it faster by themselves, the confirmation on those transactions happens on the Ethereum chain. Okay, Ethereum has to confirm them. That's why you see Ethereum transaction volume going up, because all these EVMs, tier 2 chains, and everything else on it. Come on. You see all that is on it. Okay, now KASPA is using zero knowledge. From what they explained to us, to everybody that was watching the AMA, KASPA is going to be using zero knowledge. Okay, EVMs or layer 2s for smart contracts, which will be on top of the KASPA chain itself. Now, we've talked about this before. If you guys remember the situation on the stable coins, right? Imagine you are doing DeFi. On Ethereum, I think it's 1 transaction per second. I'm not good. I don't know the numbers. Don't quote me on that, but I know it's slow. Therefore, it will be like you do it. You want a transaction to happen. That is why on Ethereum they always tell you, add some more money to speed it up. Because guess what? There is some people there already in front of you that their transaction need to be confirmed. Okay, so you add more money to try to bypass all those people, so your transaction could be coming first. That's why during the bull run, Ethereum fees usually go exceptionally high, because everybody's trying to cash out, and so they need to increase their their money so that their transaction could be confirmed. That problem will not happen with KASPA, because guys, KASPA, you know, like instead of just waiting for one at a time, KASPA has like a bunch of them, thousands and thousands getting confirmed at once. And now, once people start to build on it, I'm telling you, everybody's gonna be like, first of all, my DeFi project is running way better, smooth and faster on KASPA. Why should I settle for Ethereum or Solana or Sui or anybody else? You understand? Imagine gaming. Pretty example. You have a computer with one CPU. I have a computer with 10 CPUs. Which computer do you think is going to run better on a game? Is going to run better? Something like Call of Duty. You got to ask yourself that. You got to ask yourself that question. Now, it's the same thing with projects, gaming projects. Do you think they're going to run better on Ethereum or Solana or Tron versus KASPA, that is the fastest chain alive? So yeah, but DeFi, you're gonna have DeFi, gaming, NFTs, whatever you call it, even real life assets like banking and all that stuff will be built on KASPA, because KASPA is gonna be instant transactions, instant, fast. And again, another thing everybody else was talking about, I saw a trend on how you call it, on X, Twitter. They was talking about your old miners, okay, like your K0 Pros. Okay, oh, they are no longer useful. You can throw them away, trade them. If you ask me, I would say keep them. Keep those miners, guys, because once these smart contracts get added, KASPA get the upgrade, Crescendo, and then the KASPA get the Dark Knight, guys. Your little miners that you have at home right now that are useless to a lot of people will be making you so much money that you will not even because the transactions are fast, and one miner, even if it has the highest power, it cannot process all of them. So yeah, my goal, like I'm telling you guys, my goal is gonna be have the biggest KASPA miner by the end of 2026. At the end of this bull run, I will have biggest KASPA miner mining farm in my house. That's one of my points. But anyways, now if you go to the comparison, yeah, everybody keeps saying this, KASPA silver, although the name means silver, and Bitcoin to gold. And I always ask everybody, tell me one thing that Bitcoin does that KASPA does not do. Tell me just that one thing. Yet I get no answer. I get no answer. Because like people saying store of value. I'm going to tell you this. Bitcoin has almost a 15-year head start. Bitcoin has a 15-year head start over KASPA. That is why the market cap is that high. Understand? That's why. If KASPA should start right now at the same, let's just say KASPA and Bitcoin were created on the same year, trust me, KASPA will be number one right now. And again, you guys are going to start seeing it. Like people are going to start realizing, like, you know what, this thing here, there is a new sheriff in town. And that's why I have short term. I have of course, like I told you guys, once the price gets to a certain point, or maybe at the top of this bull run, I'm going to sell like probably 100,000 coins plus whatever my miners make. I want to have me a KASPA reserve, because guys, once the big money starts to realize that KASPA is is Bitcoin on steroids, they are going to start to pour money in it. You understand? They're going to start to pour money in it, and that's why I'm telling you guys. You think that it is you are wasting your time. People are getting bored on KASPA. Some people are saying it's not moving. What you saw today is just a little tiny bitty test of what is coming, because we talked about it the other day too. Once the smart contracts get added to KASPA, the KII, will introduce the carbon credit industry onto KASPA. Go and look it up. Carbon credit is a $1 trillion market cap asset. And if you introduce that to the KASPA ecosystem, guys, you will see that shows you, like, you know what, you haven't even begun to see yet. You will see. And today was just something that caught everybody off guard. Okay, the listings are coming, guys. Kraken has already announced, and both Binance and Coinbase, they are not going to want to miss this. They are going to want a piece of that action. Trust me, you're going to see these listings happen back to back. You are going to see it. That's why I say, okay, the trading volume is there. Smart contracts come in. Everybody begins to build on KASPA or transition from whatever they were, from my grandma's exchange, my grandma's project, or whatever chain, or my grandpa's chain, onto KASPA. That mass exodus from other chains to KASPA is going to happen. And once it happens, you will see KASPA. The trading volume is going to go in there. And that is when we are going to go top 20, top 10, top 5. And you will see that thing go faster than you think. So therefore, I will say it. If you're not in KASPA, not financial advice, but you're going to need a bag. Now, it depends on what you want to do. For me, it's a long-term thing. Like I said, I want to be, not this bull run. The next 2-3 bull runs, at least I want to have 400,000 KASPA sitting right there. Okay? That's what I want to do, because I know sooner than later, people are going to realize that KASPA is better than Bitcoin. And once they do, everybody's going to want a piece of the action. You understand? Everybody's going to want a piece of that action. So, anyways, now, let's go look at how these trades are performing, okay? First of all, let's look at the market. Excuse me. Let's go grab the crypto bubbles. Crypto bubbles right here. Okay, earlier today we did check it. Well, everybody's still red. That's funny, because our pop card and this peanut, I don't know what the hell this is. This pop card and peanut, they were pumping like crazy today. They were pumping like crazy. But anyways, now let's go look at the coins that we are trading in this My Millionaire journey. Let's see if they change anything. First with King KASPA, KAS, and we have here. Wow, it's still running, bro. It's still going. Look at that. First, for the past 1 hour, KASPA is up 1.1%, 10.4% up on the day, 21.5% up on the week, 5.3% up on the month percentage, and 3.3% up on the year. That is crazy, guys. Market cap, we are sitting at $3.54 billion, and the 24 hours it has gone up. It has gone up. Now it is sitting at $239.9 million. Now looking at Quant, QNT, Quant here. Quant is up 1.8% in the last hour, 0.99% the last day, 26 down on the last week. Monthly, we are down 6.7% and 38.6% down during the year. Market cap is sitting at $905.1 million, and the 24 volume, okay, trading volume is sitting at $42.9 million. Looking at Jasmy, we have here JAS. Jasmy, yep, is up in the last hour 2.1%, 3.6% up on the day, 2.2% down the week, 2.7% up in the year, and 314%, 2.7 up on the month, and 314% up in the year. Sorry about that, I was looking at something else. And now again, it has gone up. We have $1 billion market cap, and the 24-hour trading volume sitting at $312.4 million. I can't wait, man. I can't wait for Binance to take this thing off the innovation zone, and then we'll see. But anyways, now let's go look at the prices right quick on the trading view. Let's see what's happening there. You guys remember, I told you in every trade there is a before the trade and there is the during the trade, and we have the after the trade. Earlier today, earlier today, let's take out my arrow. Remember, I told you guys, price always get attracted to the moving average. Okay, so now we broke out. That was during the trade. And after the trade now is to try to figure out what's happening here. We are on the hourly trade, hourly time frame, please. So you see this for the past, you seen that it has started to come down. Therefore, the ribbon, good thing we are looking at right now is that the ribbon is facing upwards and the moving average is also facing upwards. So right now I'm expecting this price to probably come all the way down, retest the ribbon and bounce up. If the ribbon is not strong enough, it might come all the way down and meet the moving average somewhere here, probably at 13.5 or 13.8 or something like that. But as you can see, there is still a lot of power, because look at the candle. It came all the way down. Look at how fast it got bought. So that is something that I'm paying very, very attention on. And again, in the next few hours, I will expect either a few hours or days, I will expect KASPA to go above this resistance right here. Is very important. It's very important that KASPA breaks above this resistance, confirms it and starts to go up, or confirms it and go a little bit sideways before taking off again. So because this right here, if we fail to consolidate or confirm this as a support, we are going to have almost the same issue that we had. If you guys remember, you see this, we might have the same issue if we don't confirm this price above it. See how it did? It broke above, confirm, instead of going up, it broke below it again. That is something that I'm paying attention on. I want to see this the new price that we just attained today. This, I want to see it. I will be much more happier to see the price go back above, confirm, and then take off from there. This resistance is something that we've had since probably August. Yeah, we haven't been able to break above this resistance. So yeah, that is something that I'm paying attention, a lot of attention to, as we trade, because this right now will determine here if the price is coming down, or maybe it's going to bounce here and go up to try to confirm here and go. Those of you who don't have trades, it's not financial advice. This will be a very good thing for you to do to determine if you want to enter a trade and ride it up again, or if you want to wait until, you know, whatever happens. Again, you know, the target is still 22 cents. Okay, still 22 cents. That's what this thing is working on. But along the way, we are going to have this up and down movements. Now, let's look at quant right quick. Like I said, we're trying to rush this thing right quick. It's just an update. We are not going fully in details. QNT right here. If you look at quant, now here we are having, let me see. Let me bring my arrow out. If you remember this morning, I was telling you guys about this. Look at the ribbon. It tried to curve. Price tried to break, and now look at the moving average. It's acting as resistance. See, we got rejected, we came down. Look at how fast it got bought. So yeah, I'm expecting it again. Probably go try again, see if we can break it. If not, again, we're looking at probably coming down to form a double bottom. That's the second scenario. You can see this price come down all the way down, like here at $59 or $60, and then go up again, form a W, probably this time break with the moving average and start to go up. We have a very big resistance on quant over there at $64, $65. That resistance, we need to break it before price action can see any further upside. If you go on the 4-hourly, let's go on the 4-hour right quick. Right here on the 4-hour, see, if you've been following my channel, you already know like this, that resistance, I had it drawn there for a while, because every time it always happens. Okay, let me zoom out this way. Let me zoom it in a little bit so you will see right there. See, it happened before, and again and again and again. For some reason, every time the quant tries this resistance, look, we broke below it, we tried to break, got rejected harshly, came back, tried, got rejected, came back. This one we broke above, but we did not confirm it, so broke below again. So again, a couple of hours ago it tried and got rejected. Now you got to pay attention to this. This is something here. Excuse me, let me take this out and bring it up again. This is something, again, like I usually say, you got to pay attention to the moving average and the ribbon. Okay, moving average and the ribbon. I think this is a fake out. Okay, this, you see this rejection that it just had, I think it's a fake out, because as you can see, the ribbon is still green. Normally when the ribbon goes down, we usually turn red. That's something I've learned. But now you're looking at it, it's still green, and which means it is going to try again. It's going to try again to try to break above it. And again, you guys got to pay attention to this. All this thing you're looking at, guys, go in the weekly and you will understand why I think this thing is about to run. Okay, because excuse me real quick, see the first candle is already closing green. It's still below that resistance, but it is closing green, which means, guys, price action for quant is not far behind. Look at this. See, it tried, it got rejected. It tried, got rejected. It's still below the resistance, but hey, there's something we're looking at now. If quant can close this candle for this week above this resistance, man, that is a good sign. Okay, that's something I am looking at very, very much today, ever since then. Now, let's go look at Jasmine right quick. First, let's drop this. Jasmine has not much to be said about, guys, other than, like I told you, I am waiting for Jasmine to close a daily candle above the 2.3 cents. After we do that, man, Jasmine is going to take off to probably 4.5 cents. So right now, we are still having problems or issues closing above 2.3 cents. What Jasmine has been doing, the good thing about this is been forming higher lows, and which means, like, hey, it is trying. Okay, price action is moving. See, we've been trying higher lows, and now let's see if this one doesn't close below this, then yeah, it's gonna still be another higher low. But this right here is the headache. We try, it is trying so much to break this 2.3 cents of a price, because, guys, look, see, every time, look at that, trade breakdown. It tries, like, Jasmine is trying so hard. That's why that resistance is very, very, like, stubborn. We need to break this thing. Anyways, now let's go back here. We had a trace. I have my trades open, you guys already know that. But if you wanted to enter a trade on KASPA, for example, I will wait a confirmation on that. Excuse me, this is really too bright. Let me put this back on. I will wait a confirmation, okay? Wait for price to come back down to see if it's going to bounce on that ribbon, and then you can take a trade from there, try to ride it up. If not, wait to see what the moving average is going to do. Me, you guys already know, I'm already on my trades. I'm not worried about whatever price does or it doesn't or does not do. So because I know the cracking listing has not even started, guys. This thing is about to run, and when it runs to 22, 23 cents, yeah, we will consider, see if you want to take profits on any of my positions or not. But again, I would not advise you to leverage trade if you don't know what you're doing. You can lose your money very easily. That's simple. You can lose your money. But if you have experience, below I do have my Bydfi, Phemex, and I'm about to start including Margex. Okay, you can sign up, meet their deposit quorum, then start trading. You can either follow me, follow somebody else, or do you. I don't care on that part. All I care about is that you make money, because that's what we are all here. We're trying to make money, go from zero to millionaire status. Now let's go look at my positions right quick to see what they've been doing so far. Let's start with Bydfi, which is this one right here. Overall, yeah, 9,300. It came down a little bit since KASPA took a breather, right? You guys know I was up today. Is it 9,400 or 9,600 or something like that? But today I am still almost very close, 9,383. Okay, looking at the contracts I do have here. Look at my contracts. I'm still down 35% on KASPA, which is 1,700. And on Quant, I am also still down 16%, which is 1,100. Again, I am a very aggressive trader, and I trade with high leverage, 50x on my trades, as you can see right there. Okay, tomorrow's video I will go over my take profits on these trades, and you guys can follow along then. Okay, so now let's go look at my Phemex. But before we do that, look at that. I had these trades open for the longest, and I want to show you guys 6 figures on this trade, on this account. That's what I want to do by the end of this bull run. Let's fingers crossed, and let's see. But anyways, now let's go to Phemex right quick. If you go to Phemex right here, let me sign in. Okay, Phemex, you see, okay, it's also went down, but I'm still up 13,500. That's what I'm still up to. Okay, right here we were up 16,000 this morning, something like that. KASPA price was running, and like I said, it went up like a rocket, so it's gonna correct. It's okay, it's normal what it is doing. So looking at the contracts, you can see that on my Jasmine trade, I am still down 19.5%, which is 2,200. Okay, that explains why the overall drop. Jasmine came down. And then you can also look at KASPA. I am still down 30%, which is 1,700. Again, I trade at high leverage. Okay, please don't do like me if you don't know what you're doing. I do trade at 50x. Okay, so that's me. Anyways, now let's go look at those the ones on Margex. Margex, the new ones, you guys know I opened new trades earlier today or yesterday night. I opened some while I was telling you guys, as always, it's me. I need to be very transparent. That's the whole point of having this channel, so that you guys see what I'm doing and where everything is going. So as you can see, let it load up a little bit. Those 2 trades, I am still in profit, 81% on both, which is around $809. Okay, $809. And like I said, this trade, I'm debating whether I want to keep it long term or not, because when you look at this, let's say KASPA goes up to $1, this trade is going to make me $66,000. Multiply that by 2, because I have 2 of them open, which is more than $130,000. So yeah, I'm debating to keep it open. And another thing, I already told you guys, KASPA for sure could probably reach $10. Okay, but let's just say it didn't get there, and it gets to $5. This trade will make me $371,000. Understand? And that multiply that by 2. So yeah, they are doing pretty good. I'm still up $800 on both. And my SUI trade is doing pretty good too, 52% up, which is $524. My third KASPA trade, 342% up, $3,000. The next one, 106% up, $2,000. Next one, 126% up, 5,300. And then the last but not the least, the same thing, 126% up, 5,300. Like I said, guys, these are opportunities for this bull run. If I maintain all these trades open to the top of the bull run or close to the top enough, I think we are going to be very, very happy with the results. And that's why I'm telling you, this is my millionaire journey. And guys, we make a lot of money doing this stuff. Not financial advice. Let's go back in here. Not financial advice. It's just what I'm doing. You can copy if you want to. But hey, you guys already know, I'm a KASPA Maxi. And again, total transparency is part of this channel. I don't do like anybody else. I put my mouth where my money is. I show you guys everything that I'm doing, and you can always verify it. Anyways, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe. We're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Please comment. It's all right. I want to know what you think about what we just talked about. I want to know. And again, don't forget to like, because the more you like these videos, the more the video get put onto the YouTube AI, and it gets shared enough. Personally, I will also recommend that you share this video so that other people with millionaire minds like you and I can see these videos, and the family can even grow even faster than we think. Anyways, again, with all my heart, guys, thank you very much for your support. Please Take very good care of yourself until I see you in my next one. Bye bye.